Its fallen blades litter the seafloor below, providing nutrients for a host of creatures, including these spiny purple sea urchins, which move slowly in search of food. Sea urchins make a tasty meal for this marine mammal. Sea otters help keep the sea urchin population in check. Too many sea urchins will devour living kelp, destroying the forest. We consider otters a keystone species. Their sea urchin diet protects the kelp and helps to maintain diversity and balance in this ecosystem. But we're seeing just one small part of an intricate network. Sunflower stars also prey on sea urchins and may become dinner for a hungry sea otter. But otters prefer abalone crabs. Kelp provides food and shelter for snails as well as crabs and their tiny crustacean cousins. They find some protection among the kelp blades, but small fishes can still surprise them. All these animals and plants are immersed in a rich food source, a sea of microscopic phytoplankton drifting in the water. From the smallest microbes to the largest animals, these species take part in a diverse food web that links more than 1,000 species. The connections in the web represent the transfer of energy with every meal. Where does all this energy come from? Our star, the sun, drives all this activity. It supplies energy for almost all life on Earth. Kelp and phytoplankton, with their ability to capture the sun's energy, are known as primary producers. We consumers would be nowhere without them. Like kelp, trees on land also reach upward, competing for sunlight that fuels their growth. Each tree transforms carbon dioxide in the air into leaves and branches, deep roots, and towering trunks. These Douglas firs, some of the tallest trees on Earth, rise above others to absorb most of the sun's energy. They seem peaceful and at rest, but they work tirelessly. Much of the tree's activity happens out of sight, underground. During the day, the largest trees draw water from deep beneath the forest floor. At night, they can spread water back into the soil, benefiting their neighbors. Trees thrive on air, water, and sunlight, but they need other nutrients too, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. To nourish themselves, these Douglas firs orchestrate a transaction that extends from the forest floor to its canopy. But they can't do this job on their own. Knitted through the tree roots and soil, fungi bind trees to the ground and to one another. We typically see only the fungal fruits that poke above the soil. Mushrooms. But a lot is happening under the surface. Let's dive below ground to take a closer look. Living fungal threads called hyphae connect the mushroom to an underground network of activity. Ants help maintain healthy soil, aerating dirt, circulating water, and moving nutrients around. Tiny moss mites dine on miniature worms called nematodes. Nematodes consume single-celled amoebas, far smaller than our eyes can see. Amoebas devour even tinier bacteria. And bacteria also need to eat. They feed on the remains of previous generations of forest dwellers. In nature, nothing is wasted. The fungal hyphae decompose matter too, and we can follow them toward the roots of the Douglas fir. The fungus wraps around the root tip. Viewing a slice through the root, we see hyphae pushing into the spaces between the tree's cells. At the molecular scale, a chemical exchange takes place. The fungus supplies the tree with much-needed minerals, while the tree provides the fungus with energy-rich sugars. Nutrients for energy, a fair trade. Water provides the medium for this transaction, and the tree's thirsty roots draw the nutrient-filled water toward the trunk. This Douglas fir acts like a giant water pump. Thick bark protects thin layers of tubes where fluids move up and down the tree. Far above us, in the tree's needles, photosynthesis takes place. The tree uses sunlight to produce energy-rich, sugary sap that flows down the outermost layers of tubes. But deeper inside, we find hair-thin fibers that transport water skyward. We're heading along a direct route that connects the deepest roots to the highest needles, which need water for photosynthesis. Water escapes from tiny pores on the needles. This helps keep the forest cool, and water vapor can collect into clouds and eventually fall as rain. In this way, forests transform their local weather, and collectively, plant life influences climate around the globe.